everyone. Hope you all blessed, happy, and strong. And welcome back to our channel English Hub by Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about how to improve vocab or like importance of English vocabulary in our day-to-day conversation. Hi Sayan, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, and a very good afternoon to you. I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am also doing great, and thank you for asking. And today, we are going to discuss this topic, Sayan, and you tell me what do you think about that? How we are facing vocab. A lot of people are saying just I'm forgetting some vocab, I'm not getting some vocab, in our day to day conversation. Then how you feel what do you think about that?
Ma'am, you know what? According to my perspective, I think that spoken English vocabulary is a very important thing. It is the I can say it is the backbone. It is the
Exactly.
backbone of spoken English because you know what? Whenever I will do any such conversation with any person, with my family, with my friends, or with any person, if I will not be having that much of vocabs in my mind, that is we can say it as a word stock. If I will
Yeah.
not be having word stock in my mind, then I will not be able to decorate my sentence properly with the proper sentence. And as a result, what will happen when I will convey my message to the other person, then I will get completely stuck, I will get freeze, because you know what, that is due to the lack of vocabulary. So vocabulary is very much important, because I know what, I saw many person, they have, they can easily, they can start a conversation, but after 5 or 10 minutes they are getting completely stuck because due to lack of this proper
Okay.
word vocabulary. This is very much important. Like in our family, our father is the main backbone. Fine.
Yeah.
So if he will not be there, so me and my mom, we can't do anything, for this family. So we should keep our backbone completely fixed, strong and stout to run
Exactly.
our family properly. That is
To lead our
the
family.
main
Yeah.
thing. Yeah, that's it. It's very much important.
Exactly, exactly. Just like a syllable word is there. Like a monosyllable word, like disyllable word, like trisyllable word, like that. We have to improve our like vocab. From small to like a small words. We have to take that small words.
Okay.
Then we have to maintain a notebook like every day, and we have to write on that notebook. And again after that, we have to make our own sentence also. Take that word, and we have to create our own sentence. After that, we have to use in our day-to-day conversation. Then only we will remember that vocab. Some are like a lot of vocabs there. Some are like a root like words are there. Some are like a body parts vocab there. Some are a health terminology is there. Some are like a eye terminology is there. Lot of lot of vocabs are there. Then depend upon situation, depend upon our some like a BTech students, they will use some terminology. Like medical students, they will use some terminal like vocab words, root words. Like that, we have to depend upon like our academics. We have to use some different vocab words. Then how you like we remember that like easy. How just to tell me how we will remember that like vocab words.
Ma'am, see, brains are having multiple platform to capture. Fine.
Exactly.
Now I will give you one example. Like I'm doing a conversation with you, maybe through a voice call or through WhatsApp message or a video call. Fine. So my main motive, if I will be having, the first thing is that you know what, I must have that hunger in me to learn.
Exactly.
Fine. If
Yeah.
I will not be having that much of hungriness in me, then you will not be able to feed me properly. Fine. I will, I must have that hunger. Fine. Suppose I'm doing a conversation with you, fine, and I'm just only doing. I'm not learning anything from you, like the way you speak, like like whatever the word you use in your conversation. If I will not follow this properly, fine, then it's of no use. Brains are having multiple platforms to capture, like talking with any person. Whenever we talk with any person now, we can listen many such in English words that are quite unknown for us. Fine. So it is
Exactly.
our duty that whenever we will do the conversation with any person, simply whatever the person, when the person will talk, listen to the person. The first thing of a good speaker is a good speaker should be a good listener. Fine.
Exactly.
So yeah, first of all, listen to that person. Don't interject. Whenever a person will talk, it can be one-to-one conversation, or it can be one to multiple conversation. Don't interject. Yeah. The second thing is that suppose you are talking with me, I will have to listen your words properly. And after our conversation, I will have to note down those words in my private copy or in a private notebook. Then dictionary is there, internet is there. We will have to figure out the proper meaning of this sentence. Then when we will be able to figure out the proper meaning, then we can frame those English words in our English sentence. That is number one method. Number two is that, reading newspaper. If you will read newspaper, yeah, English newspaper, fine. If you will read English newspaper for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, then you will be, you will get a lot of English words. Fine. In the very beginning, when you will start reading this English newspaper, in the very beginning, you will find it as sort of hectic, that yeah, I don't know the meaning of this word properly, how I will be able to frame those in English words in my sentence. But don't think too much, don't get panic. Instead, just try to figure out those words. If many such words are there unknown, figure out those words, write down in a copy, and then simply go through the dictionary or in the Google. The third thing is that, dictionary.
Yeah,
Take
exactly.
dictionary, many such. And you know what is the most benefit, interesting thing about dictionary? If you will listen to anyone, you will have to find the meaning. If you will read
Yeah.
any such newspaper, you will have to find the meaning. But dictionary contains all the meaning. So suppose you have opened a dictionary and you found one word, then no need to write the word. You can, you know dictionary contains all the synonyms and the antonyms of that very word. Just try to read it properly and then apply it in your own conversation. So these are the basic three platforms by which you will be able to gain or to improve or to enhance your spoken English vocabulary. I mean, this is very, very much important. If you will not be able to increase your spoken English vocabulary, then if you are interested also to speak, you will not be able to speak because you have a lack of vocabulary. It's very, very much important.
Exactly, Sayan, like whatever you said, like it's like total 100% is like a correct, and like depend upon the person. For instance, like like a professional speaker is there, he will use
Hmm.
different vocab words according to the according to that people. If you know that words, we will also use that in front of the person. If they are
Yeah,
not like just they are not that capacity to like understand whatever we are talking at that time, we have to use only simple words, then
yeah,
only people will understand. Like
understand. Yeah,
beginners, like just I'm intermediate, like advanced level, then like pass day by day we have to improve our vocab power. I think
exactly.
almost 80 90% we have to use simple words. Why? Because of then only in front of the people will understand whatever we are speaking.
Exactly. And you know what? Suppose I will give you one example. Suppose I'm delivering a speech, fine,
Yeah.
and in front of me 10 people are there. So I don't know whether those 10 people are illiterate or literate. I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
have any idea. Fine. So I am giving the lecture in full English words. Fine. But if I will use any high words instead of using any such small word, then maximum people, they will not be able to understand my word properly. Whatever I'm trying to say, they will not be able to understand. And whenever I will tell them that if you guys are if you guys have any such query, then let me know, accordingly I will answer. So obviously, if they will, if they will not be able to find the proper meaning, then how they will be able to let me know regarding their queries? So whenever we will do a conversation with any person, normal, beginner, intermediate, expert, remember one thing, that never ever use any such high words. Yeah,
Yeah, I have.
only a place is there. Suppose now you are in a job place, you are doing a job, and your colleagues, they are very much high professional. Your boss, your manager, your senior, they are very much high professional, fine, and the entire environment is very much high professional, fine. There you can use this high professional word. But
Exactly.
apart from that, whenever you will do a normal conversation with your friends or with any other person, then don't use any high professional words. What will happen? People will not be able to relate with your words properly. And if they will be having any such queries in their mind, they will not be able to let us know regarding their queries. That is the most important thing.
Exactly. Whenever people will speak, like use that high vocabulary. If we are just beginners, we don't know.
Yeah,
Like our mind is totally blank at that time. We can't understand anything.
yeah,
No, we lost our interest. Automatically, final thing is that we lost our interest and we didn't get that what they are teaching and what they are try to explain to us. That is the reason almost all time, depend upon the person, depend upon the situation also. If you are
yeah,
you are in the office, you are with your colleagues or with your, professional speakers, at that time, well and good, and use your vocab and use your talent, utilize your talent.
exactly.
If you are
Yeah,
in, institute, or if you are talking to that, in front of your friends or like whatever it may be, at that time you have to use only simple words.
exactly,
Yeah, for that,
exactly.
if you have that enthusiasm, like a zeal or, that exaggeration to learn many more new vocab words, definitely, we have to maintain our notebook and we have to implement in our day-to-day conversation.
Yeah,
That is many like a more important to improve or, like a vocab power.
yeah.
Per day, just
We
simply
should.
per day,
Yeah,
5 or 3 words, enough per day.
yeah. Yeah, and you know what? The most important thing is that suppose you are doing a conversation, and while doing a conversation, it can be, see, conversation are of two types: one-to-one conversation and one-to-multiple conversation. Fine. So in whatever the way, one-to-one or one-to-multiple, you are doing a conversation. Fine. If you have that much of hungriness that, yeah, I want to learn English vocabulary, then try to listen a person properly, the words the person is uttering, and then try to keep in mind. If you forget, then approach the person and tell him or her that, sir or ma'am, whatever the words you have told, it's a new for me. So I want to improve up my vocabulary. So please let me know, so that I will be able to figure out the proper meaning of this word, and I will be able to apply these words in my own English accent. Then the person will think that, yeah, this person has one tendency to learn something. Then obviously people definitely, they will let us know about it. So that's it. You have to keep a notebook where you can write down those difficult words, and then find the meaning, find the synonyms, and find the antonyms of that very word in the dictionary is there, Google is there, wherever it's convenient for you, just go for this. That's all. It's
Definitely.
very much easier, actually.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, friends, if you want to learn that new vocab words, then please, drop the message in comment section. And I will, upload whatever, how, or what type of words you want. And please comment on that inbox. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Sayan, and thanks, a bunch, or thanks a million to be part of my YouTube channel again and again. And I hope, our friends love this, our video. And please like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget, press the all bell button for getting our notifications. Whatever I upload, and you will get my notifications. Yeah, thank you, Sayan. Thank you for watching, and I have a great day
Thank
to
you.
you all. Yeah,
Thank you.
bye. Yeah, bye,
Bye,
Sayan.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah.